What happens when your customers are loyal to you? They will tolerate your product delivery delays. They will tolerate your mistakes. They won't leave you even your competitors offer lesser price for them. They will promote your business and act as brand ambassadors. They will spread your good news like wildfire. Now you may ask me, how can I reap those benefits from my customers? How can I make my customers loyal to me? This video is all about that. I'll share you 6 steps to develop loyal customers. Stay with me. According to my own experience, loyalty has become one of the most misused words in the sales arena. For example, my mobile phone service provider offers me loyalty points. When I use my phone more and more for calling, when I pay the bill, they offer me loyalty points. No, actually they bribe me to use their service more and more. You understand? Have you found airlines provide free travel miles to keep their customers loyal? No. Actually, they bribe their passengers with free flights. So the passengers become loyal to the free miles, not to their brand or the company. Suppose this way. If they don't offer free miles, do their customers still loyal to them? Well, I doubt about it. Therefore, customer loyalty is an emotional relationship with you or your brand. You have to build that relationship with your actions. Normally, customer loyalty begins just after you made the first sale and delivered your product or service. Up to the point you make the sale, your customers have only perceptions. That means an imaginary picture of your product quality, delivery, after-sale services, etc. They have created that perception or imaginary picture based on what you have promised through your advertisement or verbally. Once you deliver your product or services, it becomes a reality. Your customers compare their perception with reality. If perceived value is greater than your reality value, customers will disappoint. If perceived value is equal to your reality value, customers will be happy. If your reality value is greater than the perceived value, customers will delight. Most probably, loyalty begins in number 3 situation and very rarely in number 2 situation. You can't convert your customers into loyalty. You have to earn customer loyalty. I'll make your task easy for you. As a customer, to whom are you loyal most? It may be a particular restaurant, coffee shop, grocery store, dry cleaner, car wash company, or any other service provider. Think about it. Now you tell me, what are the reasons why you are loyal to him or her or a particular brand? I'll tell you. For example, I am loyal to my vehicle insurance guy. There are 6 reasons for that. Number 1, keeps the promises. Before I take the insurance policy, he explained me everything. No hidden charges. It's very transparent. I have been working with him over the last 5 years. He delivers what he promises. Number 2, very responsive. Responsive is one of the main qualities, especially I seek from my insurance sales pro. You know, when my vehicle get into a trouble on the road, I don't need a person who sends me text saying, I'm in a meeting, I'll call you back. I don't need a person who transfers my call to a voice message box. I don't need a person who says, this is night, why don't you call me in the office hours? My insurance guy never does that. So I introduce him many of my close relations and friends without having any fear. Number 3, ease of doing business. When my vehicle gets into trouble on the road, the only thing is I have to do inform my insurance guy. Then my headache is almost over. He takes care of everything and most probably delivers my check to my hand on the following day itself. Very easy to do the business with him. Number 4, friendliness. He is very friendly. Sometimes he cracks a joke and keeps me comfortable. Sometimes he shares important information related to training programs, tips on vehicle maintenance, and what's happening in the country. His information is not necessarily related to insurance industry. They are related to my interest. I find value in them. Number 5, fair prices. His rates are reasonable. If there are any additional charges, he comes to my office and explains me very clearly. He shows me other competitors' prices and the value comparatively. I feel his prices is very reasonable for the value he delivers. Number 6, go extra mile. Whenever my insurance claim gets stuck for senior management's approval, he goes beyond his limit to speed up the process. I admire it a lot. He does that because he is loyal to me. Then obviously I have to be loyal to him. Alright, not only for the insurance industry, but these tips are very helpful for anyone who seeks to grow loyal customers. Alright, I'll see you soon with another video like this to improve your sales. Good luck. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.